Hi, my name is Maher Haddad and I'm going to be the trainer of this course. I have designed this course to show you how you can configure the Cisco router to be able to share internet to your internal LAN devices. So this is the goal of this course, and in this course, as we are going to speak about how to share the internet, then we are going to go through different topics such as how to configure the DHCP client, the DHCP server on the Cisco router, how to configure the NAT, which we are going to use the path in this case, and all of those are going to be shown in this course. A brief idea about myself. I work as a trainer and I hold certificates from different vendors, and I do have experience with Cisco since more than 15 years, and I have the CCNA level, but also I have the CCNP level. This course is going to be free of charge, so I'm going to do this crash course just to show you the basic things that you can do on the Cisco router, and this to be followed by some other courses that I'm planning to do for Cisco. If you want to know how to configure the Cisco router to act as a router sharing the internet service to your internal LAN devices, then I advise you to enroll in this course and let me help you to reach to your goal.